Hi, welcome to JC Tutorial. Okay, so sa mga bago lang po sa Globe at Home Prepaid Wifi, i-discuss ko or ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga Globe at Home Prepaid Wifi promos natin. And later on guys, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo on how to load your Globe at Home Prepaid Wifi. So let's get started. Ayan. So, ito yung mga Globe at Home Prepaid Wifi promos natin, guys. So, unang makikita dyan is Homesurf 15. So, 1 GB ang data niyan. And, ang nakalagay din dyan is exclusive add-on to GoSurf 50 and other Homesurf promos. So, ibig sabihin yan, guys, is add-on lamang po siya sa mga base promos. So, starting from GoSurf 50 hanggang sa Homesurf 1499 siya, pwede siya maging add-on. Alright? So, yun nga guys. So, from pinakamababa, GoSurf 50 to sa pinakamataas na Homesurf 1499. Ang kagandahan sa Globe guys, ang pinakamababa nilang promo is GoSurf 50. And pwede ka nang mag-add ng Homesurf 50 mo in case na makonsume mo yung GoSurf 50 mo. Unlike sa PLDT ngayon na tinanggal na po nila yung FamLoad 50 nila. So, malaking advantage sa mga Globe users, lalo na sa mga paminsan-minsan lang naman gagamit ng prepaid Wi-Fi's nila or maximum of 3 days. Kasi personally sa akin, parang mas tipid yung may 50 na baseline promo and then mag-a-add ka na lang ng 15-15. Well, depende rin naman po sa konsumo niyon. Okay? So, feel free to read na lang po yung mga Homesurf promos natin dito. Okay, so here are the ways on how to load your Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. So, number 1 is Globe at Home app. If using the Globe at Home app, guys, ang kailangan mong loadan is yung Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi number mo itself. So, you can check the number at the back of your modem. Alright, so ang gagawin mo sa Globe at Home app mo guys is you just have to download it and then open the app and go to dashboard and you can choose na yung promos mo doon from GoSurf 50, Homesurf 50, and so on. And then, from there, maloload na agad or mako-convert na agad yung pinaload mong regular load sa inyong Globe at Home app. And that's it. Okay, and for the detailed instruction, guys, you can check the link on the description box. And that's a separate video na, alright? So, next one is using asterisk 143 number sign. Sa asterisk 143 number sign naman, guys, ang kailangan mo pong loadan na number is yung cellphone number mo or yung SIM card na nasa phone mo na panggamit mong pang-register. Alright? Kasi itong way na to guys is para kang nag-share ng load or nag-share ka ng promo. Pero naka-register na guys. So, yung detailed instruction din yan is nasa description box. Meron na po akong nagawang video niyan para hindi humaba tong video na to, diba? And then, third one is using Autoload Max. Sa Autoload Max naman po, may mga retailers tayo dyan na meron na silang Homesurf 199 and so on o GoSurf kung ano man po ipapaload nyo. But then, hindi kasi lahat meron. And ang best advice ko na lang talaga regarding this Autoload Max is loadan nyo na lang po yung either yung Globe phone number mo or yung prepaid Wi-Fi number mo and then ikaw na lang po ang magre-register o magko-convert. Mas madali po yun. For me, it's based sa opinion ko po. And then lastly is through sa mga applications. Like for example, Coins, Paymaya, and GCash. Sa mga GCash users, guys, this is very convenient, sa totoo lang, kasi you just have to open the app and then pwede rin kasing nakasave na rin yung number ng Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi mo doon. You just have to choose yung promo na kailangan mo. Alright? And again, for the full tutorial niyan, you can check the link sa description box. Regarding with the Coins and the Paymaya, ang kagandahan po kasi ng Coins and Paymaya is matataas po yung kanilang mga rebates. Coins has 10% rebate and Paymaya is almost mga 8% po siguro si Paymaya. Kasi mas malaki po, pinakamalaki po kasi si Coins. Again, yung mga tutorials po niya, nasa link po sa description box. So, please go ahead and check the description box para makita niyo po yung tutorials on how to load or yung step-by-step video ng ating how to load your Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. Alright, so yun guys, sinamarize ko lang po lahat ng ways on how to load your Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi para magka-idea po kayo kung ano po yung way na gagamitin nyo para loadan yung inyong Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. Alright, yun lamang po for today's video. Again, if may mga katanungan ka, you can comment down below. You can also check my other tutorials ng Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi, from unboxing to how to load and so on, and reviews as well on my channel. And thank you for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.